Our first step is always to make sure that we represent any binomials within the ratios with parentheses around them, so that we don't forget to distribute as we go through the process of cross multiplication. In this one, we're going to begin by multiplying 3 times the diagonal down, which would be 3 times 4x plus 5, and then I'm going to do the diagonal up and multiply the 9 times the x plus 1. Next step here is to distribute. So I'm going to have 12x plus 15 linked together with an equal sign, 9x plus 9. Now I have the situation where I have variables on both sides of the equation. So when I am trying to isolate x, I first need to regroup to get x on the same side. My choices to combine 9x and 12x, I can move the 12x to the right or I can move the 9x to the left. In this case, I generally follow the rule of whatever one is smaller is the one I'm going to move. So I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides to regroup. That gives me 3x plus 15 on the left and 9 on the right. Now I continue as I did in example 1 to get x alone. So the next step, getting x alone, would be to subtract 15 from both sides, giving me 3x on the left and negative 6 on the right. And my very last step is to divide by 3, so I get x equals negative 2. I do need to go back and check. If I were to plug in negative 2 in both of the occurrences of x, I would have 3 over negative 1 on the left, and I would have 9 over, this would be negative 8 plus 5, so that would be negative 3. These are equivalent ratios, so my answer is x equals negative 2.